Now some folks brag about Memphis town, where that Presley boy first started dancing around. But let me tell you something about some history in another town in Tennessee. Oh, Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping a long, long time ago. Now you should have heard the knocked out Perkins band before he got famous all over the land. Calling his brother and Fruit Holland too, getting Dixie flight and bopping the blues, cause Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping a long, long time ago. Now times were tough, the joints were rough, but music was all that we knew. But we know for a fact, when he jumped the track, Casey Jones was a rockin' and a rollin' too, cause Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Hey, Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping a long, long time ago. Now I forgot to mention old Carl Mann and Tony Austin, drummer for the Barnett Band. The whole town was into something new. Penny Parchman was there and I was too, cause Jackson was jumping. Hey, Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping a long, long time ago. Hey, Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping. Jackson was jumping a long, long time ago. Hey, Jackson was jumping a long, long time ago.